Do not starve yourself. Starving your body can actually give you the opposite of what you want by making your body go into survival mode, which means it will hold on to fat easier. Lose weight the healthier way by eating fresh fruits and vegetables, going to the gym, and by drinking more water. Hydrate your body first thing in the morning. Start your day having aloe vera pulp, coconut water or normal water. Leave a cup on your nightstand to remind yourself to drink every morning. Replace coffee with tea. Instead of drinking coffee all the time, have 2 cups of green tea every day. You can drink coffee but not frequently. Green tea is filled with antioxidants and can help you have better skin and shed off those extra pounds. Exercise as much as possible. Get a membership at your local gym and try your hardest to go there at least once a week, then twice a week, etc. Work out at home if you're not comfortable doing it in public areas. Swap out processed sugar. Swap processed sugar with a healthy option such as coconut sugar or agave. Treat yourself to a sugary snack once in a while, such as a cupcake or cake pops. Incorporate healthy fats. Remember, not all fats are bad, however, fats from donuts, cakes, and pies are. Add healthy fats to your food like extra virgin olive oil, flaxseed, walnuts, almonds, avocado, etc. by adding it to salads, smoothies, soups, and more. Check out the link description below.